guys can talk also. I always talk about how quiet they are, and they're running really well, like this one does. Looks like it's got a brand new carburetor on it. And I'm just gonna move over, Craig, and get a picture of the spot. Put it here. Well, you can drop that, and I can step over and go ahead, Craig. What's that? Okay, it's working. Good enough.